So a very hi, hello, and a great vanakkam to all my unbulums. So please bear with me because today's topic is going to be in English. Fine. So to get a different feel, so I thought that why not we shall do in English just for today. Okay. So அனைத்து அன்புள்ளங்களுக்கும் முதல் வணக்கம். The reason for choosing this topic is that right from our childhood, comparison remains the biggest problem for students, for children, as well as once you are unemployed or if you don't go for a job. The biggest problem is that all of our parents start to compare us with, look, he has got a job, he's getting a whole lot of money, and added to that, even if you're going to a job, they'll be like, when you're gonna get promotion or when you're gonna go for the next job, and they'll keep on asking you, he's getting this much salary, what is your salary? So right from your birth till the death, okay, you can post me a question how you are saying from the birth, because even in your birth, if you're not born with the proper color what your parents would have expected, they would like, the color is not what I expected, kind of thing, look at that boy, etc. So comparison starts from birth and it will be with you till the death. Okay, so this video is especially for all the people who compare their children's, who compare others, etc, etc, etc. Okay, so you have to understand one thing, that comparison is the fast way towards unhappiness, right? So if you want this video to be more clear, please share this video to the people who have been comparing you, or to parents who compare their children not knowing the real talent of the children. Okay, so I would like to tell you a small story again. So the story might be very simple, but the output of the story is quite high, right? So the story is about a dog and a turtle. Okay, so there was a race on one final day. On one fine day there was a race. So between the dog and the turtle, it was on the lane, on the road lane. Okay, so what happened is that we all know. So the dog finished the race within minutes, like 1 minute, whereas the turtle took its time but reached the destination. Okay, but although the entire world and the entire society do not encourage or will not encourage the turtle because it took a big heart and it completed the race, but it will say that the turtle lost. Fine. So similarly, the second case, on another day what happened is that, so there was a race, but this time not on the road lane but in a lake. So the turtle and the dog has to cross the lake and go to the next finish line. So obviously, you know, the dog would take a lot of time, but the turtle knows how to swim against the stream and reach the race. So in this case, turtle won. Again, the society changes according to the situation and tells dog lost. But no one sees that both of the competitors reached the final destination. So everyone out there, it might be you, it might be me or somebody else, we will reach our destination, but it will take time. So we have to have some positive mind. So this is for the parents also, who always compare their children saying that you have got only 70, you have got only 80, etc. So every child is different. So you cannot compare one child with another. Okay, for example, so a child who is getting 90 in maths may not get 90 in English or something, other subjects. So it is because he has more interest towards it. So you should always encourage him and equip him in a good way that he scores higher marks in maths as well as he is able to manage other subjects. You should ask him, every parent in any situation, ask your children questions like, you did better, you did somewhat better in your previous exam, what happened to you now? But most of the parents do not ask that question. They pose the question like, so Raghav is getting 90, why you are getting 70? So some other name, like when it comes for the other gender, so she gets 95, you're getting only 65. So you should demolish such kind of comparison, because you pose the question in such a way that it is motivating. Like, look, you have got 60 previous exam, but you are getting 55 in this exam. So you have, your performance is a bit low. So you try to get higher marks in the next exam and see the change. Most of us don't do that. We do it in the very negative way. So you are getting just 60 mark in term 1. How will you pass the board exam? So what is this kind of attitude? So for parents who are comparing in such a way, you post a question to yourself. Like, you benchmark yourself with parents who have 5 homes or 6 homes, etc. So will you do that? No, right? So every rule which is applicable for you is applicable for them also, but we do not do it in that way. So my utmost request for all people out there is that never compare students, never compare anybody, for especially the second case would be for unemployed people, because India is is a country where there is a lot of population, and what most of the society sees is that if you are unemployed, it is like sin. Please do understand that people are not unemployed for their own cause, like they do not want to be unemployed, but due to the extreme population, and even though people are updating their skills, they are not getting jobs, right? So it is okay to be unemployed, it is okay to make mistakes, it is okay to get less marks in exam. So those are not sin, because marks alone don't matter, right? So we have to understand that. Please share this video to most of the people who think marks are important, and comparing yourself with others will give a good positive approach towards his or her life. It will not. Comparing with others is never possible. Just with the help of the story what I said, that is the dog versus the turtle. Okay, one might be a dog, he might be strong in one thing, and the other might be the turtle and he might be strong in one thing. Okay, so we have our own perspectives. In the end, we all have to understand one thing, that we ourselves are our biggest competitor. Okay, we ourselves, daily you stand in your mirror, you see your own, you see your own self. So that is the biggest competition. We are not greater than anyone, we are not inferior to anyone. We are neutral, we are our own competitors, right? So please work in such a way that you are a better version of your own self tomorrow. So if you are not able to do that, raise question to yourself. Please don't compare with others saying that he is in a good job, why am I not? So those questions will lead you to unhappiness. It will just break you down. It is not required at this point, this exact point of life. Okay, so we are all unique, we are all exceptional. We will get our chances, we will have our life, we will lead our life in a very happy way. Just one thing, trust the timing of life, as simple as that. Okay, so even if your parents are comparing, tell to them that, so I am unique, so I know how to deal with people, so please let me in my own way, because I know what I can do. So give that faith, give that trust to people. Okay, and once I'm saying about parents, if somebody who is not linked with your child speaks about your child, saying that why is your son getting less mark, why is your son not performing properly, tell to those people that it is my son, that is my family business, I will take care of it. So if your response is like that, no one will come and speak about your child. Please understand, your child is going to take care of you in your future, not the opposite house people or your relatives. All your relatives. That is one thing which I wanted to quote in this video. So please do understand, please trust the timing of your life, and please do believe every delay in your life is a blessing in disguise. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be seeing a very good video. So English பேசினாலும் தமிழண்டா. ஸோ அனைத்து அன்புலங்களுக்கும் நன்றி. நாளைக்கு வீடியோவில் பார்ப்போம்.